Hello, good morning guys. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, it's my sister's day off today. So we're planning to go to the beach. I'm gonna show you where I'm living.
Subscribe.
So guys, from my place, it take like 4 to 5 minutes to get to the spot, our favorite spot. So nganong nagpadagat mi karon guys? Because
Celebrating of my day off. Charot.
she have sugar daddy waiting to the beach. He's dying.
The daddy is dying already.
His sugar daddy is dying, waiting to her at the beach.
Nice view. This is the purple side.
Purpose, from remote. Matyono naman na. So this is the local eatery here in Panagsama Beach. So around here there is plenty of restaurants. Sige, promote na. So yeah, from Panagsama this is Isla Bar. And the other side is Blue Mango Bar.
It's the same bar. We have a promotion.
So they are working here.
Until 9 p.m. There's a lot of people here. You come here, you see me. Already.
Huh?
Yeah.
Gatay man ko. So this is Blue Mango. If you like live music, so they have live music here every night, and also food.
The moon. Yeah, you see the moon?
The moon. There, it's a restaurant.
Upstairs. Yeah, come visit in Panagsama, Bastios.
This is Korean dive resort.
No money thing. He gave us a good experience.
Activities, if you want activities, there is a plenty. This is a hostel, and there also.
ATM, you wanna withdraw? ATM here.
And this is the Panagsama beach. So everybody's going there for snorkeling
And for diving.
snorkelings and divings. Sige, say. Tell. Iya tong uyab eh. Iya tong uyab. Uy. Dive center. Ha?
Hello, Brad. Ikaw buya ka po.
So Tisay. So you are from Mindanao, yeah?
Come on, I'm from Philippines.
Yeah, Mindanao, Philippines. Gusto na ipag-explain naman.
Buya ka, Tisay.
Mindanao, it's a part of the Philippines. You're crazy. Tayo man ni bataan ni? She's not from Mindanao, she's from Philippines.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
you come here in Philippines.
Huh?
You see me.
Ha? If you want to marry Filipina, sexy woman.
Like this.
Yes, oh. Pak, pak, pak. You can find Tisay.
This is Kisay Puentes. Follow me,
You,
Instagram.
you, oh, she had Instagram, guys. My sister, she's looking sugar daddy too.
Sugar Lolo.
So this area, I'm always walking here every day. At Dive Center. Amigos. Another Cebu Scuba Academy. If you love diving. So you arrive at the beach now. Welcome to the beach.
May mabahinig, matika o sa palapan, wala yung sudan ganihan.
There's a plenty of souvenirs here. Come on. Souvenir. Oi! So welcome to Andy's Talisay. So mostly we hang out here waiting for sunset, and they have a bar. Every Saturday there is a live music. So you can snorkeling here, guys. There is a thousands of sardines and turtles too. So these people, they do snorkeling. So we're trying to find a good spot, because here in this area there is a huge rocks, so we cannot move. So we're gonna move there. What to ta? Can you see she had a problem for her guys. She said, I don't trust guys anymore. I think she's broken hearted many times. Pagdali! Patay dyan mong tato. Langkat dyan mong tato. So we found a good spot. So we're gonna hide here. So you have a problem for a guy. Huy!
She and me.
Shini.
Yeah.
So you have a problem about the guys now.
Yeah, a lot. So small. A lot in this. Small in this.
Say alot, oy. What is alot? It's a bold?
Yeah, yeah. A lot. It's bull. It's bulbul.
Biskot mo ba ako? Sa man mong gipang yaw-yaw diha, uy. So if there is a chance and there is someone like really interested at you, are you ready to open your heart again?
No, it's always closed. You send me money in PayPal first.
Bis-
I have PayPal.
ha?
Here, I have PayPal.
Okay, you have to look at the camera. Sig selfie, uy. Min